Hey beauties, so I'm here at Neiman Marcus at Hudson Yards in New York City, and this is going to be my first ever meet and greet. So I'm gonna go find Rodney and everybody from Michael Todd Beauty, so that's who we're gonna be having the meetup with. And it is so amazing here, guys. I gotta show you this. It's out of this world amazing. And they asked me to wear black, so I didn't actually have black. I only had like this skirt here, but this is what I'm wearing. You know, I don't know what's going on, guys. But they told me to be here at 11, so it's not actually 11 yet. It's like 10:45. But these shoes are so comfy. Let me show you these shoes. I wore different shoes yesterday and they hurt so bad, but these shoes are really comfortable. And I got this BB bodysuit on and just this really kind of cute skirt. So it's amazing here. I just can't believe it, guys. But let me go find everybody and see what's going on. Guys, so we're having so much fun. I don't know if you guys know Amra. What her blog is, The Beauty Elite, right? Is it The Beauty Elite? Oh my God, look at her skin. I've been dying for her skin all day.
You're gorgeous yourself.
I'm like, I need her secrets.
No.
And guys, Jessica just got here. Oh my God. And we tried to do like a beauty demo on her. And but you guys know we can't resist the makeup. Oh my God.
For a nice little facial on the
Yes,
hand.
we did a hand facial.
We did.
And babes, show the babes your eyeshadow. Her eyeshadow came out so good. I hope it showed, because she put glitter on top of the green shadow. I love that. It looks so good. Guys, she was just at BeautyCon. You were at BeautyCon too. They had a great time. Because I know people were saying there was like drama, but there was no drama, right?
Not on the Saturday. Don't know about Sunday.
Yeah.
Saturday was okay.
And you said you were, guys, she met Gigi. Gigi Gorgeous.
Becky G.
Manny makeup artist.
Mac Daddy.
Oh my God, Mac Daddy.
He's so funny. He's so nice.
And she said, you said Manny was really nice too, right?
He's really nice.
He looks so good in her pictures. You guys see her pictures.
So good.
This is awesome. And there's Rodney. So here's the devices we were doing. We just did a beauty demo on Jessica, so that was fun. And we used this. We used the pure rose water in the device, so that was pretty awesome. So we're just chilling. I'm so obsessed with. This is the new Sonic microdermabrasion, and it also has a fine mist that comes out. It's, oh my God, it's amazing. And let me show you guys the mist.
Yeah.
Hopefully the mist comes out. Here it is.
It's good. It's good. That's the best
Oh my God. And actually, there it is. It feels so good. I gotta show you guys.
I'm trying to.
That's okay.
They know. Like,
Do you want this background? Do you want this in the background instead? We can move over.
oh no, it's fine. It's fine. I was just trying to find a place I could put it. The camera.
We gotta play with the makeup. We're like, time to play with the makeup. Like, yes, that's what we're wearing. Let's take another picture. This looks so cute. Oh, what happened? I don't know. Guys, me and Jessica, we're makeup addicts. Yeah. So we're just about to tear up this beauty department. Wow. Look at this. Look at all the makeup we just found. We need glitter though. What do you think?
Yes, I like some glitter.
Jessica's like, where's the glitter, girl?
Yeah. Always gotta have some glitter.
Yes. What kind of glitter do you like?
Like blue.
Yes.
Purple.
Yeah.
Guys, we had to find the right spot, but I just wanted to show you how amazing this mist comes out. So, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna show you on Jessica. She's gonna tell us how it feels. Doesn't that feel good?
It feels amazing. Go try it. Everybody go try it out. It feels amazing.
Isn't it smell good too?
So amazing. It's relaxing.
Oh yeah, it's relaxing. It's true. Oh, it's making your skin glow. Oh my God, I want to see that. Your
skin is like getting so glowy. Oh my god, do you actually see on the camera it's making your skin glow?
Oh wow.
Wow.
Hey guys, so I just got home. Oh my god, I had so much fun. I'm so exhausted though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I had went to the event. I just got back from Florida, so we actually had to pack everything in Florida, and we were coming from California, so I've been on the road nonstop. And then yesterday I went to an event for OPI nails, and then today, you know, I went to Michael Todd. But I woke up today and I was like, I can't believe that it was like, what was it, a year or two ago, and I was like telling you guys how I went to my first event, and I couldn't believe it. Some of you guys might remember, but today was just so crazy. A few people did show up, so thank you to everybody that came. I know Jessica came, a few other people had come, and so you guys saw Jessica on the vlog. We had so much fun, and I am definitely, you know, I had so much fun, and me and her were talking, and I was thinking about it, and I said I would love to have this. See, to the meetup that I had today, I only just found out about it like, you know, 24 hours ago, so I just let everybody know. But I had so much fun today hanging out with Amra, and that was so funny. I mean, I had seen so many videos about all this BeautyCon drama, and they said there was none. They had a great time. But I'm gonna let you guys go, but I just wanted to pop in. I do want to show you guys, I'm putting together, I still, you know, I don't know exactly where I'm gonna be living. It's so, like, I guess we'll be back and forth, but because my husband's business, he has his job out there, his clients, so we're gonna have to go out back and forth. So but I am setting up my beauty room still, guys. I can't believe it, because I got really depressed leaving my beauty room. I was so happy to have a beauty room finally, and a lot of you guys might have seen, I was so happy, and then when I left, I was like, you know, I was like, what about my beauty room? And then I had to just like, anyway. But guys, I'm back to working on my beauty room here, so I gotta show you. I'm so happy because I got these drawers that I always wanted. I always wanted the Alex drawers. I think they're called, from IKEA, but they're always sold out when I went to, you know, when I would go to the store, or my husband would always put it off. He'd be like, no, you know, he doesn't want to put them together. That's probably what it was. But the other day, guys, Micheals, I hope it's still going on. If it is going on for you dolls, oh my god, they had like a dupe for the Michael drawers. I'll link them below. Hopefully they're still on sale. Babes, I got them for $40, and they're originally like $120. And so I'm organizing all my makeup now. They look amazing. I'm so happy because I didn't have these drawers ever. The drawers that I had before, you know, they were just, you know, they weren't like this. They weren't the nice beauty drawers. So let me show you guys really quick my drawers. I can't wait. So guys, I'm still working on it. Actually, it fell the other day, that's why. But let me kind of set it up here. I'm gonna put all, I got this at, oh my god, guys, do you know I've never been to Joann's? And I don't know if you guys make videos or anything, but I went to Joann's and they had so much amazing stuff that you can use for your beauty room. Like this is, I believe, you know, they had it at Joann's for crafts, but I'm gonna put all my lipsticks in here and, you know, organize them. And, you know, you could paint it if you want, like a color that you like maybe pink or, you know, whatever. I mean, I think it came white, so that's good for me. But here, let me finish, because like this fell the other day, guys. But I'm gonna put all my Jeffree stars up there, and then I'll do the rest, I guess, my MACs. But these are my MAC special edition. Here's my Jeffree stars. Actually, I have more Jeffree stars. I should go get them. But I do have, and then here's my Jeffree star mirror that Wendy got me. So I will link Wendy below. She's so amazing, such a great friend. And let me just see if I have a few more Jeffree stars. I'll be right back. So guys, I put a few more out. I had these MAC here. These are like my MAC special editions. And then I have my regular MACs here. And then the Jeffree stars are in the back. But I'm going to organize it better. I just wanted to give you just an idea where I'm at right now. But hopefully by next week I'll be all done organizing, and then I'll do another video where everything will be finished. But I'm really happy. But this can't stay here actually, unfortunately, because every time you move the drawers they're falling. So, but here's my drawers, guys, and then this is just such a mess, but I'm gonna be organizing everything. But here's how I have it so far. But I'm gonna probably get those. I saw they had drawer separators on Amazon. I'm gonna get those, so I'll link those below. But those look really good. They look like they fit these drawers perfectly, so I'm gonna get those inserts as soon as I can. But I've already done here's some of my highlighters. I really don't, my husband was like, oh, you have a lot of makeup, but I actually don't have that much makeup, I think, compared to other people. I mean, I did give a lot of it away, but here's some of my bronzers. Oh no, these are bronzers. But I'm planning to not really have a lot of makeup. I don't really like to have clutter. I just want to have what I love, and then just have, like I said, just have what I love. That's it. I'd rather I just don't want clutter, and I just love certain things so much. I don't really want anything else but like what my favorites are. So guys, I got this and I did a video on it, but I never uploaded it yet. Let me know if you want me to upload it, but it's so much fun. It's the Kit Kat palette. So here's, I really say I don't even have that many. I do have more palettes though, but they're just not organized yet. But I really don't have that many palettes either, so these are all empty right now. But I'm going to be filling them up soon. So hopefully, guys, you know, I'm going to put it out there. Hopefully for next week, I'll have everything organized. So that'll be really good. See, this is a huge mess. This is like the stuff that I love to use every day. But as you can see, it's a huge mess. So this is just like everything that is, I guess, kind of my favorites. Oh my god, I love this palette. This palette is everything. My blue blood I've been having fun with. My powders, so it's just a ginormous mess, guys. This is a mess, guys. I actually do have more though in my beauty where I've been filming videos. There's a lot more stuff, so that's I'm gonna do a video though, like I said, guys, and I'll do an update and clean everything really good. But that's pretty much where we're at right now. This is where I've been keeping my palettes for now. This is like an IKEA desk. And so these are my palettes that I have right now. Jaclyn Hill, Private Society. I gotta do a video with that. Focal Allure. I did a video on this Focal Allure. Oh, it was so good. I gotta upload that. It came out really beautiful. This is this is stuff. Everything, like I said, guys, is a humongous mess. I shouldn't even really upload this video. Hopefully, I want to though. You know, it's life. But I have this Peaches palette. I don't think I ever used that palette, to be honest. My Dare to Create palette. But you know, I think I'm gonna do a Poshmark sale, because I haven't even used this palette in the longest time. Oh, I don't know, guys. We'll see. Oh guys, that's my huge hoarding, my makeup hoarding. Well, I have a lot more. I do. I'm saying I don't have a lot, but I actually just looked at my IKEA desk and I'm like, oh my lord, girl, you're a hoarder. I'm like, why am I trying to claim? I'm gonna show you guys next week. If you want to see my hoarding mess before I clean it, let me know. If you're into seeing hoarding messes, let me know. Before I clean it. But I'm gonna clean, or just let me know if you just want to see it clean. I totally understand. But I hope that I'm definitely gonna have another meetup, guys, and I'm gonna let you guys know in advance. And I would love to do it, and we could just hang out, play with makeup. I'd love to have goodie bags, and you know, just have a good time and hang out. So next time I'm gonna let you guys know in advance more, because I know this meetup I just found out about it, so I didn't know, you know, till the last minute. But next time I'll let you guys know more in advance, because I had so much fun. I want to do it again because it was so much fun, and I want to play with makeup with you guys and just, you know, have fun. It was so much fun. So I'll let you guys go now. I hope you guys are having a good night, and I love you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Love you. Bye.